Hi, my name is Isaiah Rancifer and welcome to DMT2 Presents. How to use the clone stamp tool. This is a before picture of just a normal everyday part that we're going to be changing. We're going to be taking away the tree shadows on the top right, bottom right, and the bottom left. First, we're going to clear off the sidewalk, clear out the sidewalk. What you would need to do is select the clone stamp tool in the middle left. It looks like a normal everyday stamp. And what you will want to do is option click the top part of the sidewalk, making sure that the shadow that you're coloring over of looks like a normal sidewalk. Next, what we're going to be doing is take away the shadow that was next to the sidewalk. What you want to do right here is there's this little line between the grass and the sidewalk. That's what you would want to click of to get rid of the shadow that is a little bit still on the sidewalk. After that, you want to go to the grass, option click the grass, and make sure that you're coloring over the grass, not to make it like a pattern light, but to make sure that it looks like normal grass. Mine, you can still tell there was a pattern, and it looks like the shadow, there was something there, but at the same time, you can kind of tell there wasn't. It's not going to be perfect the first time. It takes practice. You're going to have to keep doing it over and over and make sure that you get the rhythm of what you're going to be doing. Next, we're going to be getting rid of the tree in the top right corner of the picture. What you want to make sure that you do is when you're option clicking a part of the sky, you want to make sure you go exactly horizontal of what you're trying to get rid of. You don't want to go a little bit above, a little bit below, because if you go exactly horizontal, the colors will blend in evenly. There will be no need to blend, no need to change anything. It will match. Yes, we're going to be getting rid of a cloud in the sky, but still, there was only 2 clouds in the top right, so taking away 1 cloud wouldn't actually damage the picture in any way. Last, we're going to be getting rid of the shadow at the bottom right from the tree that we took away at the top right. Now notice on the left side it's all pattern light. You don't want to do that. The left side is the wrong side, the right side is the right way to do it. The same thing we did for the tree at the top right, you want to do the exact same thing for the grass at the bottom right. You want to go exactly horizontal and make sure not to go above or below the point you're trying to get rid of. What this does is makes the grass actually look like it blends all together. There are no patterns, no mess ups, no nothing. You can actually tell, you can actually see as if it's as like the tree's shadow was never there in the first place. This has been Isaiah, guys. Thank you.